In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a bank account as inactive or delete it in Zoho Books, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and tackle this task step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can navigate to various sections of the software. The dashboard gives you a quick glance at your business's financial health, and this is where you'll begin the process of managing your bank accounts. When you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Banking. Clicking on this tab will take you into the section where all your financial accounts are listed, including your various bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial entities you've connected to Zoho Books. It's where you can view transactions, reconcile accounts, and of course, manage the status of each account. Once you're in the banking section, you'll see a list of accounts or perhaps a search function where you can type in the account you wish to manage. For today's example, we're focusing on the petty cash account. So go ahead and click on the petty cash account from the list. This will open up the details particularly for this account, allowing you to see all associated transactions and options for management. As you examine this account's details, you will notice a section that allows you to manage its status. Look for the area that provides options such as highlight, which is typically part of the actions you can take on this account. Clicking on highlight will bring you closer to our goal of changing the account status. Now let's proceed to marking the account as inactive. This is useful if you won't be using the account for a while but want to retain historical transaction data for future reference. In the options or actions menu, you'll find mark as inactive. Clicking on this will effectively make the account inactive, ensuring it no longer appears prominently in your active accounts list without deleting any past data associated with it. It's a handy option to declutter your financial management without losing valuable information. That's it. You've successfully marked a bank account as inactive in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage the activity status of your financial accounts in the system with ease. If you ever need to reactivate the account, you can simply reverse this process. Thank you for following along, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on navigating Zoho Books.